Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you really quick on how you can create a A/B test on one of your video ads and for your Google Ads account. Okay, so the very first thing we want to do is we want to go into our campaigns. All right, we're going to find the campaign that we want to duplicate and then that we want to create an A/B test on. All right, so what I'm going to do with this one is I want to test the difference between the two videos that I have playing for this ad, but I don't want to change any of the titles or the long descriptions, short descriptions, anything like that. I just want to put the ad versus each other. Okay, so the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on this guy here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do edit. I'm going to copy this. All right, and then what that should do is that should pop up a little paste button here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and do paste, and we should get a little pop-up here that says pause new campaign after pasting, which this is what we want to do. And then we're going to go ahead and paste it. Okay, and now you can go ahead and run it in the background, but we're just going to let it go ahead and complete here. And then once that's complete, I will show you the next thing that we're going to do, which looks like it's almost done. All right, guys, so it went ahead and finished. So now that we see, we have our two campaigns, okay? So our duplicate one here is now number 2. So what we want to change on this is we want to change the ad in this video ad, okay? So we're going to go ahead and go to our ads. And then now we have our two different videos, okay? So this is the one that we want to change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit the edit button here. And here we go. So now I'm just going to simply delete this video, and then I am going to go ahead and grab my link here to the video that I just created that I want to compare this against. So here we have it. So now everything else is going to stay the same. We're not changing anything in here. Let's make sure that we don't have any exclamation points or anything, because it doesn't like exclamation points. Everything looks good, so I'm just go ahead and do save ad. All right, so now we have our two different ads. I have this video and I have this video. So if I go back to my campaigns, I will go ahead and mark this one enabled. And there we go. Now we have our two different campaigns. Okay. Now what we can do is we can go to experiments, and now we can create an experiment which is going to do the A/B against those two. Okay, so we're going to do a video experiment. We're going to do continue. This is just saying that you want to create another campaign, make a copy of it, and then add the videos that you want to test. Okay, so we got that. So we are going to do video test, video A/B test. And then the first one, we are going to do our main video that we created. So video with me. And we're going to select the campaign, which is this one. And then now we are going to do video talk over. This is the one I narrated over. So we'll go ahead and do this one, and we'll select this one. All right, so there we have this. And then we are going to look for the one that has the best cost per. Let's do cost per click. Let's do that one. All right. Go ahead and save that. And there you go. That's how you're going to create an A/B test. Now, this isn't going to work right now simply because the one that we created, the one that we just created a copy of in our campaigns, oops, if I go back to campaigns, our ad has not been approved yet. Okay, so we have to wait for this ad to get approved. And then once the ad is approved, we will be able to set up that experiment, the A/B test. Okay, but I just quickly wanted to show you how to do that. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, concerns, leave a comment. I'd be happy to help. But as always, I appreciate you, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much.